have slowed, but more inventory came to the market. Good for buyers, but sellers are competing for fewer buyers. Happy Friday, November 3rd, 2023. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Mortgage rates rose slightly last week, and predictions are that rates could fall to 6.7% by the end of 2024. Not a big win, but anything lower could help more buyers qualify for a lower mortgage payment. Mortgage lenders have responded to the rate challenge, bringing in options to help ease the rate increases. Rate buydowns and rate rollbacks are alternatives to buyers offering below list price. Wins for both buyer and seller. Buyers get a home at a rate that allows them to purchase and refinance later when rates go down without additional fees. Sellers get to sell without taking a hit to the sales price. Let's look at the market inventory. 742 homes are coming soon, fewer than last week. 1,974 homes hit the market over the past week, which is a big increase over last week's. 647 went under contract, up this week. 872 moved to pending, also up this week. 1,615 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and up to 11 days before going under contract. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Bethesda's Kenwood Park for $2,961,640. Rentals available continue rising to $2,522 and remain steady at a $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, November 3rd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.